Good afternoon. Welcome to daily currency update from the currency desk. On Tuesday trading session, we saw the Indian rupee open up slightly weaker as compared to the US dollar, but as the day progressed, we saw some reforms being announced by the parliamentary session that was on, and the government has announced a cut in the taxes on the interest rate revenue given to the FIIs. So based on this, we could see further increase in the investments of FIIs, and based on these news flows, we saw the Indian rupee rally by almost more than 1% intraday. Overnight, yesterday we had the FOMC minutes, in which the Federal Reserve has indicated that it is willing to increase or decrease the size of the QE based on the performance in the near term of the US economy. So this only means that in the near term the US economic data would be crucial for the market movement. But yes, immediately after the statement, markets were reassured that the quantitative easing program would continue, and we saw a fall in the dollar index to almost a near 2-month low. 81.33 was the lower level that was seen yesterday. Based on this, we had a positive start for the Indian rupee today in the morning session, though the current trading remains in a narrow 20 paise range, but we could very well see the current rally in the Indian rupee extend up till 53.20 levels in the spot. Coming to euro, we saw the US dollar weakness actually support the euro and rally to a great extent. We had the US dollar index fall down to a 2-month low, and based on this we saw the euro also rally against the Indian rupee. Today the euro has gained by around 0.5% against the Indian rupee, and this rally is not expected to sustain due to the relative strength in the Indian rupee. Today we have a string of PMI data from the Eurozone, and based on this we could see some movement in the euro against the Indian rupee. But yes, going by the technical trend, we expect the euro to correct up to 69.40 levels in the spot. Coming to pound, the pound has shown a one-side rally against the US dollar in the international markets, and this similar rally is showing its impact against the Indian rupee as well. Yesterday we had the UK manufacturing PMI data being released into the markets. As it came better than expected, we saw the pound rally against the US dollar up till 1.55 levels. We could see further upside in the pound against the US dollar, but yes, currently there seems to be a chances of slight correction as the bulls take sort of a breather in the pound. Currently we expect the pound to correct from the current rally up till 83.20 levels in the spot. Coming to Japanese yen, the Japanese yen has remained strong against the US dollar. One of the reasons is due to the relative weakness in the US dollar. But yes, today we had the monetary policy announcement of the Bank of Japan, and it has stated that the economy is showing some improvement and the monetary base has increased by 23%. So based on this, we can expect the Japanese yen to rally in the near terms, especially against the US dollar. Currently, as we would see the data coming out from the US economy, we could see similar movement in the Japanese yen. We would recommend a trade on the US data in the Japanese yen against the US dollar. Yes, at current levels we expect the Japanese yen to rally further against the Indian rupee as well. In the near terms we could see the level of 56.70 against the Indian rupee in the spot market. Thank you.